come on. What is going on? What?
Yo, so guys, what's the issue? What's going on?
The system's going haywire right now.
I think her domain controller has been breached.
Can we resolve this issue?
The logs say that the controller was talking to an IP in Moscow.
Quarantine the domain controller.
Do it now.